like, no. Yeah.
Take a look at that, huh?
Just look at it.
About living and a little about love. So we're taking photos today at a waterfall I've been to before. I haven't been to it since like spring, end of summer now. So I wanted to come back. Just making the hike out there. Oh, this looks sturdy.
I got rhymes.
Myles Kenny just looks like an idiot when he does it. Wow, it is slacking. All right, so the water's kind of lacking today. Like, it's not like as flowing as I'd like for long exposures. So I'm just gonna try to take some like higher, shorter speeds so the water's like still in the background. And I'm just gonna get some like lifestyle shots, like moment pictures, capture the moment rather than a cool picture, you know what I mean? The only lens I have for my A7 II right now is the 1.850 mil, and that's not like ideal either. So tomorrow my 16-35 is coming in though. I'm on my tripod right now, fully extended. This is gonna be kind of sketchy. $2.5 grand worth of camera gear on me right now. Oh God. Oh gosh, my bad. They're all the way up there now. They'll come down. They'll come down. They're all the way up there. The boys are all the way up there. I'm gonna go up there. I didn't even know about this part. There's 2 other smaller falls. That's cool to know. Recently, with only one lens with my A7, I've been oh, that hurt. I've been challenged a lot more as a photographer, like being like constrained to one focal length. 50mm is way harder than I expected, but I've gotten some really cool images out of it, so I'm not like super pissed. Yeah. It's kind of cool. What should I put? Poopy butts. Oh.
I just drew the face logo. Here, Sam, let's go over here and find a new
Hold up.
spot. Bro, it's like someone's cocaine.
Rock just disintegrated. This is like freaking chalk. Did you see that? I threw this rock and it disintegrated.
I'm about to make my way down this. It's gonna suck. Yeah. This is easy money. Keep going.
How much further do? Oh fuck!
Your foot slipped in. Hunger Games Catching Fire. The most realistic survival movie.
Minecraft.
That's true. Minecraft.
Where's that flint and steel?
Yeah, where's that flint and steel at? Dang, this is peaceful.
See, like, I want to get a drink. Like that's fish.
I'm gonna do it. Well, I'm just gonna take off my shoes off. Yeah. If you want to, it's a free country. Last time I checked. Yeah. Oh, I can feel it. Is it?
It's not too bad.
Oh. Here, 1 second, guys, stay right there.
I'm sinking.
Hey guys, start come back to the edge and walk just directly across.
clay. You can feel the
That's
acid.
clay?
Yeah.
Dog, I can put it in the kiln.
Ice is
Let's go down.
Now turn to your right. Here, Sam, stay where you are. Sean, walk out. Here, like, fake walk. Just like put your 1 foot forward. Okay, now real walk. Oh my goodness, your feet sink in here.
Your feet sinking everywhere.
Goodness, your feet sink in a ton.
Yeah, I know.
Right here is like all clay.
That's pretty.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Get right here. My thoughts were very
Yeah, I know, right here.
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh! 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 This is such a nice place. It's so like serene. Everything is just calm.
Like your leg?
Yeah.
I care, for one.
Eating my ass. My butt's probably like.
Filet mignon. Filet
Hey.
mignon. Alright, now we're dipping. I don't know if I'm going to film all the way back because I got 2 cameras out, but probably take some snippets. But yeah, we're just heading back to the car. That's pretty much it. I got some good shots, so I'll display them on the screen.